Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about OAuth2 security basic flow. In today's date, we have in our day-to-day life, we have using OAuth2 like Instagram, Facebook or Redbus or any other food delivery application. We have authenticated by using Gmail. So we have not write any username and password to use that application. We have authenticated by using Gmail and we have ready to use that application. So internally that will be using the OAuth2. So we have to understand what is basically flow of the OAuth2 and how it will be done. So watch this video till end so you can understand the basic understanding flow of the OAuth2. In next tutorial we have implementing that OAuth2. So you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel so you can get updated of the technical videos. Okay. Firstly, we have understand the what is before OAuth2. Before OAuth2, what will be happen in security? Before OAuth2, we have security by using username and password. Username and password we have saving in the DB. Username will be saving in the plain text and password will be saving in the encrypted format. If user will come to our application, we have getting the username and password, and that password and username we have validating our database. For encrypted logic will be there, then we have to encrypt that password. For that logic, we have to some drawbacks. So OAuth2 will be invented. In OAuth2, the logic will be completely different. It basically work on key. Means there will be 4 pillars we have understand later. Then we have basically key, client ID, secret key, like that. In that principle, we have OAuth2 will be work. So we have understand the concept of OAuth2 by using one block diagram. So I am opening my block diagram. Okay, this is OAuth2 process. So we can understand this is the OAuth2 high level block diagram. Okay, there will be the 4 main pillar of the OAuth2 process. There will be the resource owner, client, authorization server, and protected resource. So resource owner will be our resource owner. We have implemented some logic. So resource owner, this is the resource owner. Client will be our browser. Authentication server, it will be auth server. So OAuth2 server, it will be authentication server, and we have to protect the resources our all APIs. Okay. Assume that client will be coming to the one application and log into the client request. Means it will be client request to authentication. Then first will be saying request sent to the resource owner. Hey, and it will be saying that hey resource owner, I am Sankalp. Give me the access of this API. Then resource owner will be grant the request, and resource owner will be getting the client ID from the client and giving the scope of the means client will be the which admin, super admin or user, like that scope will be used. Scope used for the which API he will be authentication. Okay, this is the scope. Then it will be resource owner will give the client ID and scope to the authentication server. After getting the authentication server, it will be giving the authentication server. It will be authentication server will be getting the client ID scope and it will be authenticate that user. The user will be right, client ID will be correct, scope will be correct. Then it will be giving the authentication code to the client. After getting authentication code, client will be send the request to the again authentication server to authentication code, client ID and secret key. After getting the 3 value up in the authentication server will be validate that 3 value and create one authentication token, unique authentication token, and give the token to the client. After getting the token to the client will be not use the unique client ID secret key. He will be using the type token and will be getting the resource. Means he will be giving the token to the protected resource and he will be getting the which API he have access. Means one more thing guys, we have one token, then we have to validate that token and we have to give timeout. Means which timeout we have token will be expired. Means we have given the 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then after creating that token at authentication server, that time after 10 minutes token will be valid. After the 10 minutes will be we have repeat the whole this process. This is the known as the token validation. This is the process of the OAuth2 guys. I hope you have understand the OAuth2 process. In next tutorial we have implement the OAuth2 process. If you getting the autoplay implementation video, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you can update the channel's video. Okay guys, thank you, bye.